In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invisible folder in Windows 10 or 11, so you can have your own simple secret folder on your desktop. We're going to do this using only built-in Windows features. There's no extra software and no complicated setup. By the end, you'll have a folder that doesn't show a name and doesn't show an icon. So at a quick glance, it basically disappears into your desktop. First, go to your desktop or to any folder where you want this secret folder to live. Right-click on an empty space, hover over New, and then click Folder. This creates a normal folder with the default name highlighted, ready for you to rename it. Now, instead of typing a regular name, we're going to give it a special invisible character. Click inside the name field, then on your keyboard, hold down the Alt key. While holding Alt, type 255 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. You won't see anything appear, but that's exactly what we want. Press Enter to confirm. If you did it correctly, the folder name will look completely blank. If you're on a laptop without a dedicated number pad, you may need to enable numlock or use the function key combination that activates a virtual number pad. The key thing is that Alt plus 255 must be typed on a numeric keypad, not on the number row above the letters. Next, we'll make the folder icon invisible. Right-click your new unnamed folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Customize tab. Here, click on the Change Icon button. A list of icons will appear. Scroll through until you find an empty space, which is actually a transparent icon. It might look like a blank gap between other icons. Click that blank space and then click OK. Finally, click Apply, and then OK to close the Properties window. Now look at your desktop. The folder is still there, but it should appear as empty space. You can click where you think it is and drag a selection box around that area to see it highlight. You can open it like any normal folder and store files inside, but visually, it blends right into the background. Keep in mind, this is more about privacy from casual observers than real security. Anyone who knows where to click can still open it, and it won't protect sensitive data like a password-protected archive would. Also, try to place it somewhere you'll remember, maybe aligned with other icons so you can find it again. That's all you need to create an invisible secret-style folder in Windows 10 or 11.